Hi guys! Today I'm gonna show you some do and don't. Let me show you how to draw an eye. Let's start! Maybe this is the way you draw. You draw an oval shape like this, and circle in the oval, also a small circle in the center, and paint purple and maybe some details to the iris as well. So cute! Not bad. But in reality, our eyes don't look like this. This is a good example. You can try this way. I always start lightly, draw a line and then start drawing another line that gets higher. It's like a hill. Our iris is actually not completely visible. The eyelid covers a part of it. Also, make sure not to press too hard while drawing, or you won't be able to erase easily when you need to. Next, you start filling the details of the iris. Now I'm using a black pencil for the darkest details. Make the shadow below the eyelid darker. That should be darker. I darken everything that should be darker again. And make sure you draw around the reflections of the eye by leaving this white. Adding the right highlights and shadows, it gives the eye depth and makes it look realistic. Don't forget there's also a waterline we need to draw. Layering is very important in pencil drawings. It takes time to go over all these steps, but the time pays off in the end. You can shade it with a cotton swab. It's very nice if you don't have any special tools for blending and don't want to use your fingers either. Cut the eraser into an oblique line. Erase some of the graphite for some highlights in the iris. I moved on to the eyelashes. Remember, eyelashes grow in a curve. They have different lengths and also are thicker at the bottom. As you can see, the right part looks to the right. When I'm at the center, the eyelashes go up. And when I go to the left, the eyelashes look to the left. They also get shorter and shorter. Underneath, it draws down from the bottom outline. just wanted to show you some guidelines that help you. But also, I want you to have fun drawing. Don't give up even if it doesn't look awesome yet. Just keep doing practice. I really hope you enjoyed this video and find it helpful. Also, don't forget to put a like button if you liked it to support this channel. And subscribe for more art videos. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a nice day. See you next week. Bye!